Hey everyone, welcome to my channel E-Modul Belajar. In this video, we are diving into the fascinating world of multiple alleles. Stick around and let's get started. As a review, we have discussed inheritance by one trait in the previous video when we discussed about round and wrinkled seed of peas and cult color in red. As seen here, a single genetic character will follow inheritance according to the principle of segregation or Mendel's first law. The inheritance of this trait will be fully controlled by the complete dominant principle, where the dominant allele will give the same character to the offspring when combined with a recessive allele. Round seed and yellow cut color as a dominant character will be found in the offspring. There is an interesting question here. What if the inheritance of traits or genetic character is caused by many alleles? I would like to use an example of human blood types inheritance when answering this question. Blood inheritance is a really interesting topic that explains how our blood group are passed down from our parents. As is known, human blood type is inherited from parents to children through multiple alleles or more than one allele. The alleles responsible for phenotypes A, B, AB, and O are controlled by more than one alleles. The alleles responsible for phenotypes A, B, AB, and O are controlled by the alleles, namely IA, IB, and IO. These three alleles, AI, AB, and IO, will determine the blood type that each individual will have. For example, the combination of alleles A and O will follow the principle of dominance described by Mendel. In this case, IA is dominant over IO. Because of the dominance of IA over IO, then the combination of IA and IO will give a phenotype A or blood type A. Thus, blood group A has two genotypes. First is homozygous IAIA and second is heterozygous IAIO. In this slide, since the IB allele is dominant over IO, then the combination of IB and IO alleles will give a phenotype B or blood type B. Thus, blood group B has two genotypes. First is homozygous IBIB and second is heterozygous IBIO. What if both alleles are equally dominant as shown by AI and IB? In this case, the IA and IB alleles are codominant, meaning that when individual inherits both alleles, then both A and B are expressed simultaneously, resulting in blood type AB. Thus, blood group AB has only one genotype, namely IA, IB. This inheritance pattern, as illustrated in this picture, demonstrates how alleles combine to determine blood type. It highlights here how IA and IB alleles, both dominant over IO, result in blood types A or B when paired with IO. On the other hand, blood type AB arises from the codominance of the IA and IB. So IA and IB is equally dominant. I would like to give two examples to further clarify how traits, in this case the phenotype trait of blood type, are inherited. First, if a father carries heterozygous A, IAIO, and he marries a mother with blood type O, what can be expected in their offspring? The explanation will be provided shortly. The second question, if a father carries heterozygous B, IBIO, and he marries a mother with blood type O, what can be expected in their offspring? Again, the explanation will also be provided shortly after this. This table will show the genotype expression on blood type. When the IA allele combines with IA itself, the result is blood type A. Blood type A also is found when IA allele combines with IO allele. Blood type AB is found when IA and IB alleles combine each other because of the codominance principle. When the IB alleles combine with IB itself, of course the result is blood type B. Blood type B is found also when IB combines with IO because IB is dominant over IO. Finally, when two recessive alleles IO meet each other, then the offspring will have O blood type. Previously, it was asked about what happens when there is a marriage between a father with heterozygous blood type A and mother with blood type O. What is the possibility of offspring? The answer is as shown in this slide. All children will have blood type A because A is dominant over O, so it's impossible blood type O will be expressed. In the second question, almost the same as the first question, where the difference in the father's blood type B is heterozygous, will produce all children with blood type B, because B is dominant over O. So there is impossible children will have blood type O, 100% B. There is another interesting question. Can a marriage between two parents with blood type A produce a child with blood type O? The answer is yes, but later you will find that the answer is also no. Let us start with the answer yes. In this scenario, where both parents carry the heterozygous genotype IA, IO, an offspring with blood type O can be found. You can see here IA and IA, of course, will result A blood type. IA from father and IO, let's say from mother, will give A blood type because of the dominance of IA over IO. And this is the blood type O. Blood type O, again, will be found when IO from father meet IO from the mother. So the answer is yes, where both parents carry heterozygous genotype IA, IO. Now we explore with the answer is no. This happens when one of the parents has a homozygous IA, IA. The answer is simple because the IA allele is dominant over IO, of course. So it's impossible to get offspring with blood type O when the IA allele meets the IO allele. So there is no O blood type in this scenario. All blood types A, B, and O are found when marriage happens between heterozygous A or B parents. This can happen because all the alleles are found in this mating and each can independently meet. AB comes from the combination IA from, let's say, a father, and IB allele from mother. This is because of the codominance principle. B blood type can be found when IO from father meet IB allele from mother, because B is dominant over O. O blood type is from combination two recessive allele, both from father and mother. And lastly, A blood type is from IA allele of father that meets IO allele from mother, because A is dominant over O. To sum up, allele IO is recessive to alleles IA and IB. Alleles IA and IB do not dominate each other. This is a codominance relationship. Therefore, only 4 possible phenotypes, namely A blood type, IA, IA, and IAIO, B blood type, IB, IB, and IB, IO, AB blood type, IA, IB, and O blood type, 2 recessive allele, IO, IO. Thank you for watching, and sincerely hope that this video can add to your knowledge. Bye, and see you in the next video.